press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello dear children, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and safe in your homes. Okay dear students, stay safe, stay happy. Okay, today I am here with you to do your poem, that is very interesting poem, What's in the Mailbox. You can see what's. What is the short form of what is? What's, W-H-A-T apostrophe, yes, what is the short form of what is. Here a little girl is very curious. You can see the little girl is very serious about what is inside the mailbox. Okay dear students, all of you open your English textbook, open page number 77. Okay. Okay dear students, have you ever received a letter? Have you ever received a letter? Have you ever got a letter? Yes, letter means written message by post. Okay, written message sent by post. Meaning of letter is written, it's the written message. Written message sent by post. Okay, you often got messages through WhatsApp, means through media you got messages. In the earlier periods, in the earlier first periods, when there was no telephones, no WhatsApp, no internet, then the people used to write letters to their loved ones, and after they used to get back letters. Still we write letters, but we are using messages, emails, telephones, etc. Means we are using internet and telephones most instead of letters. Now you write letters to your teacher, means to me you write letters, means you call it as leave letters. You often write it when you take leave, isn't it? How you write? First you write the from address, means your name, your class, your register number, like that. And after you write to me, teacher's name. And if you are writing to headmiss, you write to the principal or to headmiss. After that you write your school name, like that. Okay. And after that you write the purpose why you are taking leave. Okay dear students, like that. You are familiar with leave letter, isn't it? Now, if you haven't seen, have you got letters? No. If you have not got letter, see what this child decides to do. Here one child is there, he decides to do the interesting thing. What? Let's see in the poem. First I will read this poem. You have to listen to me very carefully. What's in the mailbox? She is asking questions. So what will come? Here a question mark will come. So it's a question, right? What is in the mailbox? What's in the mailbox? For that reason we write a question mark. This is a question mark. Okay dear children, understood? What's in the mailbox? Most always when the postman comes with letters 2 or 3. They are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me. I am going to write some letters though. That's what I am going to do. And then my friends will answer me and I will get letters too. So I will repeat once again. What's in the mailbox? Most always when the postman comes with letters 2 or 3. They are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me. I'm going to write some letters, though that's what I'm going to do. And then my friends will answer me and I'll get letters too. Here the child is telling that most always when the postman comes. Postman means a man who delivers our post or letters. Is known as postman. He helps us to get our letters. He delivers letters to everyone's home. So the postman always comes with letters 2 or 3. They are for my mother or my dad. So the child is telling he often brings letters for her mother or for her dad, but never for herself. But never one for me. But she is complaining that the postman never bring letters for her. Here you can see they are. They apostrophe S-R-E. It's the short form of they, A-R-E, are. They are. Okay children? Okay. But never one for me. I am going to write some letters. Am. You can see I am. I apostrophe S am. It's the short form of I am. Instead of writing I am, we just write I apostrophe S am. We pronounce it as am. Okay? Okay. I'm going to write some letters. Who is going to write some letters? Yes, the child has decided to write some letters. Though. Though means anyway. Though means what? Anyway. Are you clear with this? Short words, short forms? Okay, dear children. Though means anyway. Anyway. Anyway, she has decided to write some letters. That's what I'm going to do. Again, that's. That means that is. That's. That is. That is the short form of that is. Okay, children? Okay. That's what I'm going to do. And then my friends will answer me. When she wrote letter to her friends, the postman will deliver letters to her friends. In back, the friends will write letters to whom? To the child. And I will get letters to, then after writing letters to her friends, her friends write back to letters to the child, then she will get letters too. Now, how was the poem? It's very interesting, isn't it? Now, you also do the same thing. If you will not get letters, you write letters to your friends and send them. They will write back to you and you will also get letters too. And also visit the post office in your city. You will get the idea about how letters delivers and sends to people. Okay, dear students, these are some meaning of some words. Now I am going to write meaning of all the other words which are somewhat difficult to you people. Anyway, or it is also you can write or however. The another meaning of though is anyway and however. Always. Always means, can you guess the meaning of always? At all times. Yes. Always we have to tell truth. We never has to tell lie. Always means at all time we have to tell what? Truth. Always tell truth, children. Never. Never means not at all. Never ever tell lies. Not at all. Okay, dear children, these are some of the words and their meaning which you feel difficult. Now let's read all this. Letter. Look at its spelling. Letter. Letter means written message sent by post. Though. Though means anyway or however. Always. At all time. Never means not at all. And also post. Post means post box, or post means private box. You can take down better. Post box means a private box for depositing outgoing letters. A private box for depositing outgoing letters. We can see these post boxes in the side area of roads. Okay, inside of roads we can see the post box. They are red in color. Okay, you can see in the picture the girl is sitting in front of that red post box. Here on that letter is pasted. You can see, isn't it? And you can see many number of letters here of different colors: purple, yellow, pink and sky blue, white, other colors, many colors letters. Okay, dear children. Okay, these are the meaning of some difficult words. Now let us discuss the questions and answer in this lesson. Answer the following questions. Who does the postman brings the letters for? Yes, the postman brought letters for child's father, isn't it? Better let's write all this. Are you clear with these meanings? Okay, children. Okay, I'll just write its answers. Okay, first, who does the postman brings the letters for? First answer, the postman brought, the postman brought letters for child's father and mother. Child's parents, or you can write father and mother, or better you can write parents. Okay, now the second question. Now read the second questions. Yes. Does the child ever get a letter? Yes. No. The child, no, comma, the child never got a letter. Letter, full stop. Then third one, answer. What does the child decide to do? Now you can guess what she has decided to do. Yes, the child decides to write. The child decides to write some letters to her friends. she has decided to write some letters to her friends. This is about questions and answers. Okay, dear children, this is about question answers. Better you can take screenshots of this. Okay, dear students, shall we move next? Okay. Now you can see, read this letter carefully. They have given you a letter, you have to read this carefully. First I will read this, listen to me. Devu has written a letter to his grandfather thanking him for a birthday gift. Okay. House number 1792, Daryaganj, New Delhi, 111007. Okay. This is the address. I will repeat. Home number 1792, Daryaganj, New Delhi, 111007. Now after that, date 25th January 2006. Dear grandfather, thank you for the beautiful book of Panchatantra stories. You will be happy to know that I read one story every day. I read one story every day. With love, Devu. This is the small letter which is written by Devu to his grandfather to thanking for the gift. Okay, dear children, like this you also write letters to your elder ones and to your younger ones. Let's write. Now write a letter to your friend telling her about your school. You can use some of these words. By using these words, you have to write a letter to your friend. Those words are classrooms, children, bell, blackboard, teacher, building. Using these words, you have to write a letter to your friend. Okay, dear children? Okay. I hope you will write. Now after that, there is a paper fun activity for you. Activity, let's make an envelope and post our letters too. After writing the letters with the help of envelope, by putting the letters inside the envelope, you have to send the letters to your friends. Now let us make your own envelope. Take a square piece of paper. First what you have to do? You have to take a square piece of paper in the square shape. Fold all the four corners to make folds. You have to fold all the four corners to make a fold. Fold two corners and paste them with a little glue. With the help of glue, you have to paste those corners. Fold the third corner and paste it with the glue. Third corner also with the glue you can paste. Leave the fourth corner open. To put a letter, you have to leave the fourth corner. Write the address neatly on the envelope and fix the stamp on the right corner. On the right side, you have to fix a stamp. Put the letter inside it. Now seal the fourth corner as well. As well, you have to seal the fourth corner. You have to apply glue to close it. Your letter is ready to be posted to your friend. Now your letter is ready, all set for posting. Okay, dear children, I hope you will do this. Now let's try matching A with B. Here they have given the two columns A and B. In column A they have given the names that like a postman, a cobbler, a librarian, a driver, a dramatist, a teacher, a nurse, a musician, an astronaut, a clown. In part B they have described it. They have described their profession, what they do. Okay, you have to match it neatly. So let us match it. First is a postman is given. A postman, what a postman do? A postman brings our letters. First, a postman brings our letters. Second, a cobbler. What a cobbler do? A cobbler mends our shoes. A cobbler mends our shoes. So dear children, these are the people who helps us in our everyday life. Okay. A librarian. What a librarian do? A librarian works in a library. Works in a library. A driver. What a driver do? A driver drives a motor vehicle. Drives a motor vehicle. Fifth one is a dramatist. Who is a dramatist? A dramatist is a person who writes play. A dramatist play. Play means drama. Who is the famous dramatist in English literature? Yes, Shakespeare. A teacher. Who is a teacher? A teacher teaches in a school. Teaches in a school. A nurse. Who is a nurse? A nurse looks after patients. Then musician. Who is a musician? A musician plays musical instruments. A musician plays musical instruments. Like drum, piano, like that. Children, last. An astronaut. Who is an astronaut? An astronaut travels. An astronaut travels in a spacecraft. Spacecraft is a vehicle which moves in a space. Last one, a clown. Who is a clown? Clown means joker. A clown makes people laugh. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. A clown is a person who makes people laugh. Okay, dear children, let's repeat. A postman brings our letters. A cobbler mends our shoes. A librarian works in a library. A driver drives a motor vehicle. A dramatist writes play. A teacher teaches in a school. A nurse, of course, I am a teacher. A nurse looks after patients. Patients means ill people. A musician plays musical instrument. An astronaut travels in a spacecraft. A clown makes people laugh. Okay, dear children, these are the people who helps us in our everyday life. Okay, dear students, in today's class, what we have discussed? Yes, we have discussed a very important and interesting poem based on communication, that is words in the mail box. Okay, after that, yes, meanings of difficult word. After that, questions and answers. After that, some grammar points. After grammar point, we have discussed the people who helps us in everyday life. Now what you have to do, you have to write this. Okay, means the people who helps us, and also you can add some other people who help us in everyday life, like milkman, a person who brings us milk, delivers milk, like a newspaper boy. Like that you make a list, the people who help us, and also you make a list through which you can communicate, like letters, messages and telephone, internet, like this means of communication. You can make a list, and also the newspaper, etc. So dear students, this is about our today's class. I hope all of you have got it well. Okay dear students, clear? Okay. Okay dear students, let's stop here. Okay, thank you so much. Stay safe, stay happy. We'll meet in our next video. Okay, take care, bye bye, stay safe, bye.